Respected Akbaruddin.
Honorable Speaker, sir. सर मैं
अकबर साहब बोलिए.
नहीं सर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूं सर, मैं एक क्लैरिफिकेशन लेना चाह रहा हूं, तो आप मुझे नो सर, एक मिनट आप सुनिए मेरी बात को, एक मिनट मैं आपको दे रहा हूं, एक मिनट. ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर मैं एक मिनट. ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, मैं आपसे इजाजत इसलिए लिया कि मैं एक क्लैरिफिकेशन गवर्नमेंट से लेना चाह रहा हूं. इट इज नॉट फॉर माई स्पीच. इफ everybody agrees, I just want to have one clarification, sir. And then later on, after completion of the BJP legislature's speech, I will continue my speech, sir. So my only one clarification is that, sir. Sir, I heard the BRS party, which has ruled for 10 years, speech, sir. I am all 9 years. And also, sir, I have heard the speech of BJP's legislature and leaders over here, sir. But unfortunately, sir, and I am also hearing the clarification and replies being given by the treasury benches, Honorable CM Saab, Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab, everybody. Sir, now my only one clarification is that, sir, we are having a debate on a statement. I was expecting that they will table the report and we'll have a discussion on the report. You are talking about saying that the survey conducted by BRS was not tabled. Yes, they did a mistake. You spoke on length on that. So why are you running away from tabling that report in this house? Table the report, let us study that and have a debate and we can give us suggestions on that. What is this, sir? We are only having a discussion. We are having a discussion on a statement. Unfortunately, it wasn't spoken by any of the members, sir. I hope that all the members sitting here, cutting across the political parties, whether it is BJP or BRS, will support my demand, and I demand that the report to be tabled in the House. Give us a time, we'll read and we'll come up with a suggestion and say that whether your survey is right, wrong, good, bad, whatever it is, table the report. Why are you running away from tabling the report?
Germantown Super Speciality Hospital National Award winner Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, German trained senior orthopedic surgeon and director. Mahir doctors Dr. Wasif Azam और Dr. Bharvi Chunduri, senior cardiologist और दीगर डॉक्टर्स नुमाया खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं. रोबोटिक सर्जरी, एडवांस कैथ लैब, MRI, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU, 2D अल्ट्रासाउंड जैसी सहूलियात से आरास्ता कॉर्पोरेट लेवल हॉस्पिटल. वाजबी फीस में हर मर्ज से शिफायाबी के लिए जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, अतापुर.